Hello everyone, hope so all of doing well, and in this video we are going to fix Facebook sound problem or Facebook audio not working problem. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe, also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix Facebook sound or audio problem, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and then go to Facebook app settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem. After following all these steps, just restart your mobile and hope so your problem is fixed. So just like the video and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.